global research firm enhances data validation and automates regression testing. Here's how a global research firm scaled its data quality operations with end-to-end validation automation. Starting with the challenges. The company needed to reconcile data between legacy sources and a centralized warehouse. Over 1,000 tables had to be validated daily to confirm that transformations, field mappings, and data loading rules were consistent across environments. Manual testing led to long QA cycles and frequent post-release corrections. The lack of a standardized validation framework made anomaly detection and root cause analysis difficult, especially as dashboard consumers flagged inconsistencies in Power BI visualizations. Coming to the solutions implemented, the company adopted Datagaps DataOps Suite to enable automated source-to-target dataset comparisons. Over 1,000 tables were configured into reusable regression test plans that validated data transformations, row counts, and field-level logic across staging and production systems. They also used BI Validator to check Power BI dashboards post-migration, comparing pre- and post-load visualizations and metrics. Business rules were incorporated to validate duplicates, nulls, and conditional mappings. Daily test runs provided traceability and a single source of truth for QA and business analysts. Looking at the metrics and outcomes, manual validation effort was reduced by up to 50%. Seamless integration with Azure Data Lake and Power BI enabled end-to-end traceability and error resolution. And finally, the impact we made. They improved data observability, reduced processing errors, and built a validation framework that scaled with their growing data needs. Their data operations are now faster, more accurate, and aligned with business reporting demands.
Thank you for your time. Do you have any questions? Contact@datagaps.com.